Welcome to Wealth Wiz, your gateway to financial mastery. Ever wondered how to transform your savings into a powerhouse of wealth? Or dreamt of living a life rich in passive income and financial freedom? If you're nodding yes, you've hit the jackpot by tuning into our channel. Today, we're diving deep into the art of smart wealth growth and how to thrive on your investments. Let's kick off with a story that's more than just a tale. It's a life lesson. Picture this. A man trades his beloved car for a gold watch, not just any watch, but a symbol of affluence and success. He treasures it in a secret drawer, basking in its glow every morning. It's his pride, his measure of wealth. But here's the twist. His prized possession becomes the center of a revealing lesson about the true essence of wealth. Are you enjoying the journey so far? If so, why not hit that subscribe button? Join the Wealth Wiz family for more insights into making your money work for you. Now, let's steer into the world of wealth building. It all starts with your job. It's more than a paycheck. It's your wealth-building foundation. Forget those get-rich-quick fantasies. Real wealth grows over time, with patience, strategy, and a job you're passionate about. It's about using what you have now as a stepping stone to where you want to be. What about savings and investments? Here's the deal. Saving a substantial part of your income and channeling it into intelligent investments is your ticket to financial liberty. Imagine a life where money is no longer a worry, where your assets work for you, generating passive income through dividends, rents, or interest. That's the power of wise investment. But remember, it's a game of discipline, patience, and continuous learning. And while we're at it, let's talk about investing versus speculating. Investing is about long-term gains, putting your money into ventures that yield consistent returns. Speculating, on the other hand, is more like a gamble. It's chasing quick, often risky profits. It's crucial to strike a balance. Build your portfolio mainly with solid investments, and only speculate with what you can afford to lose. Keep educating yourself, expanding your financial knowledge. It's not just about understanding the market, but also about knowing yourself, your goals, and your strategy. And when it comes to action, be decisive, but don't rush. Take calculated risks and remember, it's your journey, your path to crafting a legacy of wealth and freedom. Continuing our exploration into the world of financial mastery, let's focus on the power of compound interest. It's often called the eighth wonder of the world for a good reason. Imagine your investments growing not just from your initial capital, but also from the accumulated interest over years. This isn't just a mathematical marvel, it's a cornerstone strategy for long-term wealth building. The key is to start as early as possible and let time work its magic. Remember, the earlier you start, the more significant the benefits of compound interest. But wealth isn't just about what you earn, it's also about what you keep. That's where smart spending comes into play. In today's consumer-driven world, it's easy to fall into the trap of excessive spending. However, the true path to financial freedom lies in living within your means. This doesn't mean you have to skimp on everything. Instead, it's about making conscious decisions about your spending, prioritizing your financial goals over short-term desires. It's about finding that sweet balance between enjoying the present and preparing for the future. Now, let's talk about emergency funds. Life is unpredictable, and financial emergencies can strike anyone, anytime. Having an emergency fund is like having a financial safety net that protects you from unforeseen events. Ideally, your emergency fund should cover at least 3 to 6 months of living expenses. This fund can be a lifesaver in situations like unexpected medical expenses, job loss, or urgent home repairs. It's not just about security, it's about peace of mind. Diving deeper into investment options, let's explore the world of real estate. Real estate can be an excellent addition to your investment portfolio. Whether it's rental properties, real estate investment trusts, REITs, or flipping houses, each avenue offers unique opportunities and challenges. Real estate investments can provide steady cash flow, tax advantages, and appreciation in value. However, like any investment, it requires due diligence, research, and sometimes hands-on management. Another crucial aspect of wealth building is retirement planning. It's never too early to start planning for your retirement. The key is to take advantage of retirement accounts like 401ks, IRAs, or other pension plans. These accounts often come with tax advantages and can significantly boost your retirement savings through employer matching programs and deferred taxes. Let's not forget about the power of financial literacy. Understanding the basics of personal finance, like budgeting, saving, investing, and managing debt, is fundamental. There are countless resources available: books, online courses, podcasts, and seminars that can enhance your financial knowledge. Educating yourself is empowering. It puts you in the driver's seat of your financial journey. In the spirit of financial education, let's debunk some common investment myths. First, the myth that investing is only for the rich. The truth is, anyone can start investing, regardless of their financial status. Even small amounts can grow over time. Another myth is that investing is too risky. While all investments carry some risk, diversification and a well-thought-out strategy can mitigate these risks substantially. Speaking of risks, let's talk about risk management in investing. It's all about finding the right balance between risk and reward. This balance is different for everyone, depending on factors like age, financial goals, income, and risk tolerance. A young investor might take more risks for potentially higher returns, while someone nearing retirement might prefer more conservative investments. Continuing our journey, let's delve into the world of stocks and bonds. Stocks represent ownership in a company and can offer higher returns, but with greater risk. Bonds, on the other hand, are like loans you give to a company or government, offering fixed interest payments with generally lower risk. Understanding these investment vehicles' nature and how they fit into your portfolio is crucial for a balanced investment strategy. But it's not just about stocks and bonds. There are other investment avenues like mutual funds, exchange-traded funds, ETFs, and index funds. These can offer a more diversified investment option, often managed by professionals, reducing the need for individual stock selection and ongoing portfolio management. Now, a word about digital assets and cryptocurrencies. This relatively new asset class has gained immense popularity and controversy. While some view cryptocurrencies as the future of money, others see them as highly speculative. If you choose to explore this area, it's vital to do so with caution, understanding, and a willingness to learn about this evolving space. Transitioning to another topic, let's discuss the importance of having financial goals. Setting clear, achievable goals gives your financial journey direction and purpose. Whether it's buying a house, saving for your children's education, or achieving financial independence, having specific goals can motivate and guide your financial decisions. And speaking of guidance, let's explore the role of financial advisors. A good financial advisor can offer valuable insight and advice tailored to your individual needs and goals. They can help you navigate complex financial landscapes, make informed decisions, and avoid costly mistakes. However, it's essential to choose an advisor who is trustworthy, qualified, and aligned with your financial objectives. As we near the end of our discussion, let's touch upon the significance of continuous learning and adaptation. The financial world is ever-changing, and staying informed about market trends, economic shifts, and new investment opportunities is crucial. Adaptability, coupled with a lifelong learning mindset, can help you navigate through various market cycles and economic conditions. In conclusion, remember that building wealth is a journey, not a sprint. It requires patience, persistence, and a well-thought-out plan. Every step you take towards financial literacy, disciplined saving, intelligent investing, and strategic planning moves you closer to your goal of financial freedom. Thank you for joining us on this enlightening journey at WealthWiz. If this video has provided you with valuable insights, please like, share, and subscribe for more empowering content. Together, let's build a future of financial prosperity and security. Until next time, keep investing wisely, and remember, your wealth journey is unique. Embrace it with confidence.